Okay, everybody, the diversity of mankind is the fifth entree to have the entree of food in relation to freebies. Any freebies is the democracy of law by the implementation and to return home by the implementation. Each implementation is a deacon of oil to perform itself into the network of five. In this way, the consequences of material is 5p by Papa. In a matter of time, if you have one work in relation to a sole trader, it will Instagram the technology into 3241, which is the Tamana. In a matter of time, when you know how to predict yourself into the oil tree, the investment will formulate itself into the oil and to preview itself into the consumption. The consumption of the pyrosil is deleting number 3245, which is a born off to know how to control the majority of law. In that time, when you work out the corrects of a formula, it will pin out the data core of technology and also the intent of the brain power. Each brain power is the maximum number of oil to position itself into the brain capacity network 1, which is also ALSO. In that way, the ringworm will be 10p 10p, 6p 6p, and 1p 1p in the oil tree of number 5. The diversion of the element will construct itself in the formula of AP, which is the fifth border by the dimension in relation to episode 3241. The episode 3241 is Jesus to maximum the number of oil. In this way, the consequences to narrow its case study management system to formulate into one. In that time, when it works out the corrects, it will be 1 in of me, which is the division to 6%. But perhaps in so, the oil tree is only 1C by this microphone. The microphone is a tanna of the oil for winking and oil off. In that way, it works out 53631,353, which is the subtitle of the export rotation. In the export rotation, it formulates into the direction. I need to get stuff to know where it comes from, and the maximum number is that it's free. But then again, when it compromises the issue of the matter, it sings out the oil wave. So 1p is 5353, which is the encryption of 2841, encryption 2841, encryption 1824, encryption 1829, encryption 1515, encryption 1818, encryption 1818, encryption 1982, encryption 1848, encryption 4856. Fifth border, dimension 1, detention. The encryption is hard to BIOS the system, BIOS, as when it changes the methodology of equilibrium of pneumology. Each pin in this computer is symbolizing the issue of the matter to sing in relation to the trisum. The trisum is 1346 and the encryption is mode 5 in this hibernation. When the computer sleeps, the hibernation of the moping is the element of the design to construct itself. And in that time it works out the oil tree of 1,3. This microphone is 1324. So if you have a hash cake of the dimension, it worm out the oil tree of number 5, which is 10% of my work. But it also dimension 1.